So, hello guys, again, welcome back. Today I am talking about anti-gravity. Anti-gravity is a free and open source vibe coding application where you can create your own project and turn your idea into a project. If you don't know any coding, then you can uh, turn your idea into real life project with using anti-gravity. So, with the help of this anti-gravity, you can create like this website with a single prompt without any coding knowledge. Here is everything is working. Here is about section, which technology use. Okay, here is contact option. Here is you can add your own email, your own phone number, and your own location. And here you can send a message. You So without wasting any time, let's go for download it, and it's open source, anybody can download. You need to go search on your web browser Antigravity. This is an official website of Antigravity. You just simple click on download for your Windows. I am on Windows. You can download your Windows system base. You can select your download. Here you can select and download it. I have already downloaded, so I don't need it. Okay, you can download from here. It's a very easy and simple process. So after download, you can open it directly on double click. It's open. It's taking some time. Yeah, it's open. Here you can create a new conversation. You can create a new project. Okay, here you can select any folder. Uh, I select house price prediction. It's created. Okay. Now you need to simple. You give any prompt if you want. You just go there. ChatGPT, and here you can share your idea, whatever you want to build. Just say, "Hey ChatGPT, I want to create an house price prediction website. And can you give me a prompt to create an website uh, from anti-gravity?" You can see here it's give all our site project. Here you can copy it. So here from here you can copy it and paste it in your new conversation. Okay, I'll paste it and it's gone working. You need to simply it's give allow. It's ask you can select from your any model which you want to use, and then after it's working. After create your site, you can directly open your folder in the VS Code. And here you can run cd frontend. First come on frontend, then you can run npm run dev. You can click here localhost. Like this, you can create your own website from here without any coding knowledge.